My name is Rick Renner, and today I'm giving you a studio tour of the things that are on the shelves in my studio. And today I want to show you this photo of George and Laura Bush, that is President Bush and First Lady Laura. Why in the world do I have their photo on my shelf? Well, look at it. They're coming to me in this photo from the residential part of the White House where they lived, and they're each holding sparkling gems from the Greek. And they sent me the most wonderful letter along with this photo to tell me they were using sparkling gems for their daily devotional. That is amazing to me. You know, when you obey the Lord and you just do what He tells you to do, you're always surprised at where you end up. My mind always goes to Romans chapter 10, verse 17, to a verse that God first gave to me and Denise when we started our ministry. Here's what it says. Yes, verily, their sound went into all the earth, and their words unto the ends of the world. I'm really shocked by how far our teaching ministry has gone around the world and by whom it has impacted. I would have never dreamed that the President of the United States and his wife would send me a photo holding sparkling gems with a letter telling me it was one of their various daily devotionals. But when you obey the Lord, He empowers you to do what you could never do by yourself. Wow, that's amazing. That's what happens when you obey the Lord, and that reminds me of God's faithfulness. And this is the reason why this photo of President Bush and First Lady Laura is on my shelf.
Wow, wasn't that a great video? My friends, would you please subscribe, like, and comment under this video? Please do that. It will help us reach more people with the gospel of Jesus Christ.